Sometimes you may receive an assignment in a physical book, and your teacher might ask you to submit photographs of the work you have done. To do this from a phone or tablet is quite easy. So let's get started. In the Google Classroom app, tap the Classwork button at the bottom to go to the Classwork tab. Tap on the assignment you wish to open. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a section entitled Your Work with an up arrow. Tap the up arrow. You will see a button marked Add Attachment. When you tap the button, you're given several choices: add from Drive, a file, or take a photo if you have not already taken a photo. I've already taken my photo, so I will tap File. Select the photo of your assignment. If you have more than one photo to attach, you will have to tap the Add Attachment button again. When you're finished, tap the button marked Turn In. Classroom will ask you to confirm. Tap Turn In. And you're all set. You've just attached your photos of your assignment. Thanks for watching.